What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to remove reposts on TikTok, including whether it's possible to delete all reposts at once and the exact steps to remove them manually. First, let's clear this up. TikTok does not currently have a built-in option to delete all reposts at once. Unfortunately, there's no one-tap solution for clearing your entire repost history. That said, you can still manage and remove reposts one by one, and it's actually pretty easy once you know where to look. If you've reposted a lot of videos, it's a good idea to do this in batches every so often so it doesn't pile up. Some people use browser extensions that claim to remove all reposts automatically, but if you don't want to rely on third-party tools, the safest option is doing it manually inside TikTok. Here's how to delete a repost step by step. Start by opening the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Next, locate the reposted video. You can find reposts by scrolling through your activity, notifications, or by revisiting videos you know you've reposted before. Once you've found a reposted video, tap the share icon, which looks like a right-pointing arrow on the screen. From the menu that appears, tap Remove Repost. TikTok may ask you to confirm, and once you do, the repost will be removed immediately. It will no longer appear in your repost activity or show up in your followers' feeds. Repeat this process for each repost you want to remove. It takes a bit of time if you have a lot, but it's currently the only official way to clean up reposts. A quick tip here, doing regular repost audits can save you a lot of time in the long run, especially if you're using TikTok professionally or want to keep your profile clean and consistent. And that's it. That's how to remove reposts on TikTok and what to know about deleting them in bulk. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.